Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android Studio with matching SDK and a phone with developer options enabled. Plug the phone via USB and choose File Transfer, then enable USB debugging. This grants Android Studio permission to install apps. Once done, open your project and select a compatible build target, API level and CPU ABI. Make sure to sync Gradle so dependencies resolve. If using Wi-Fi ADB, enable it later. For now, focus on a reliable USB connection to avoid debugging delays. You now configure the build and confirm the device appears in Android Studio's device picker. Choose the app module and the debug build variant for iterative installs and faster builds. Make sure run/debug configuration targets your connected phone rather than an emulator. Sync and build the project. Address Gradle errors by installing missing SDK components or accepting licenses in the SDK manager. Once the build succeeds, Android Studio will prepare an APK, and ADB will be ready to push it to your phone. You finish by clicking Run and selecting your phone. Android Studio uses ADB to install and launch the app. Watch Logcat and the Run console for install progress and runtime errors. They show why installs fail or crashes occur. If the device is not detected or installation fails, restart ADB from terminal with a DB kill server and a DB start server, unplug and replug the USB, and ensure install via USB or unknown sources is allowed. Once running, grant any runtime permissions on the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.